WORKPRO sent me this 12-in-1 ratchet screwdriver with quick load function. So this is a great idea. This will be perfect to carry with you, especially if you've got a small space, something to stick in your car or carry with you on your tractor, on your side-by-side when you're out away from home. You don't want to have to carry your whole toolbox full of tools. You want something compact that you can carry and still get a lot of good functionality out of. And I think that's what this product's going to be. Let's open this up and check it out. Oh, this is awesome. So right off the bat, you can see you've got multiple size Phillips. You've got a standard, you've got Torx, you've got the square bit, a couple of different square bits, another size regular, another size Torx. We're gonna check this out and see how it works, but I tell you, I really like the feel of this in my hand. It's just the perfect size. It's got a very rubbery grip, so you can grip it easily. The ratcheting function seems to work really well. And it feels like if you put it in the middle, it locks both ways. That is perfect. I think this is going to be a great tool to keep in the vehicles with me. So I've got access to all different types of screwdrivers if needed to work on something in the car. Let's go check this out. All right, we're going to check this screwdriver out. So I'm going to try taking this guy out right here. So I know it's a square bit. Pop that out. That is a S3 that doesn't fit. We've got an S1. That one fits. Just slap it in. Now to remove that, you have to pull back the little blue collet there, but to stick it in, it just goes in with no problem by itself. And it's already set to ratchet that way to undo it. And this is just as simple as turning it until it comes out. And now we're going to turn it the other way, so we're ratcheting it back in. There you go. And like I said, to pull this out, just pull the little blue collar back there and drop it back in. You're good to go. So I really like this screwdriver. Big shout out to WORKPRO for sending this to me to check out. This thing is going to be fantastic. The thing I like most about it is it's just one little tool. I've now got Phillips, regular, Torx, square bits. I've got everything all in one location. So I can just take this one tool with me instead of trying to grab a bunch of different screwdrivers or grab a bunch of different bits and try to find them all. I grab this and I've got everything with me and I can walk out in the yard and do whatever I'm doing or around the shop here. You know, depending on how old something is, for years I just used standard Phillips screwdriver screws. Then I switched to the square bit. Then I've now pretty much switched to Torx strobe bits. So, you know, being able to switch between them easily, not knowing when I'm going to fix something, how old it is, what kind of screws I may have used. So it'll be nice to have something like this. If you'd like to get one of these for yourself, check out the link in the description. Appreciate you guys watching.